Here's the news of the day.
Beta Technologies successfully completed the first flight of its eVTOL electric aircraft from its new production line, marking a key milestone in its production and certification efforts.
HeliSpeed has received UK CAA approval to offer multi-crew cooperation training, using its Bell 429 simulator to enhance pilot teamwork and skills. This certification supports the growing demand for advanced pilot training in Europe.
The Association of Air Medical Services honored outstanding contributions to emergency medical transport at the 2024 Community Awards. Key awards included Program of the Year, Lifetime Achievement, and Safety Excellence, highlighting industry leaders and innovative teams.
Vertical Aerospace announces Flightpath 2030 to lead the eVTOL market, aiming for 150 VX4 deliveries and certification by 2028. The plan includes scaling production and ensuring safety.
EHang has launched a new urban air mobility hub in Hefei's Luogang Central Park, supporting the EH216S eVTOL operations as part of its low-altitude economy expansion with strong local government backing.
EA Maven and FMCI are exploring advanced air mobility in Ireland, identifying 174 urban routes and a €96 million economic impact from potential eVTOL and regional air solutions.
Electra Aero unveils its EL9 hybrid electric aircraft, promising ultra-short takeoffs, low emissions, and seamless regional connectivity with over 2,100 orders ahead of its 2029 launch.
Kazakhstan's Kazmunaygas and BioOperations signed an agreement to develop sustainable aviation fuel using bioethanol, leveraging local resources to boost green aviation efforts.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.